Lamsogo ani channel lo जों दिनै सायमालायनाय केटाल job recruitment no tuibai obongkha Tripura Rural Livelihood Hot Mission o TRLM ni bisingo or jagao koita post tong koita seat vacancy tong tei busuk salary manai tei age limit busuk tong tei education qualification busuk nang aborok no saimalainai bangoi ani video no nai tongdi hingke faide जों video no start khalasina video start khaiyoni sigang kaisa nirokni thani request ani channel ni bisingtwi katal job news update manai aboni bangoi ani channel no subscribe khainadi tei jajakhe like tei share khai robaidi hingke faide tabok pura details saimalaini sinai oro tongo 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ta post ni wngkha ni bisingo livelihood coordinator farm 6 ta tei livelihood coordinator livestock 6 ta cluster coordinator 54 MIS assistant no 11 haikhe accountant 6 accountant assistant 6 office assistant 6 abo haikhe total 95 vacancy tei oro kaham ke swai chukruk saimalainai bo post bo education qualification nang tei experience busuk nang aborok saimalaimani bangoi tolao nailainai obo wngkha 1 number job title wngkha livelihood coordinator farm aro jaga 6 ta post aro jaga o education qualification nango graduate in agriculture eba horticulture eba forestry agri business fisheries geology aborok no khaijak wngmani nangnai tei o jaga or tongma tong graduate in any discipline with minimum 1.5 mane 1.5 bochor experience wngma nangnai livelihood farm livelihood ni under o hingke oro tongo salary livelihood coordinator farm salary tongo 25,500 theke 31,875 next 2 number o tongo livelihood coordinator livestock abo bohaina same salary education qualification wngkha graduate in veterinary science eba fisheries eba geology wngmani nangnai hayakheba graduate in any discipline jekono graduate khaijak khe bokhano 1 years experience wngmani nangnai livestock development o next tongo cluster coordinator ar jaga o tongnai 54 post salary wngkha 21,500 to promotion hingkha 26,875 aro busuk qualification nang graduate in management rural development social work sociology agriculture social science horticulture fisheries food technology mass communication economics social development engineering forestry anthropology agribusiness commerce physiology science aborok khaiyani nangnai hayakheba any graduate wngkha hingkhe minimum experience 1 years nangnai social communication development bisingo Next tongnai MIS assistant. MIS assistant no tongo education qualification graduate degree in computer science एबा computer application एबा IT BCA जेकुनो टंखांके apply खाइमानाय आरो जागावा salary tongo 21,500 to 26,875 अबा हाइके रजाकनाय ते 5 number tongo accountants ni salary inka 21,500 start 26,875 same education qualification ka honors graduate in commerce ni bisingo honors khaijak ngani nangnai tei ayake graduate in commerce जेकुनो commerce ni bisingo graduate khaijak wngkha minimum qualification nangnai minimum experience nangnai 2 years experience relate government department ni bisingo project rogo khaijak ngani nangnai 2 years tei 6 number tongo account assistant no tongnai salary 13,000 to 18,200 aroni qualification nangnai graduate degree in commerce ni bisingo graduate ngani nangnai last 7 number ongnai office assistant wngkha 13,000 to 18,200 qualification wngkha graduate in jekono graduate aroni bisingo diploma in computer application tongani nangnai tei aro jagao information saimani aro tongo koi tarik jora last date apply ni last date wngkha iko aro jagao tongo closing date and time starting date 6 tarik July ni theke 21 tarik July jora apply khaimannai aro tei age limit rojak tongo 18 বছর থেকে 40 বছর জরা ওকে apply খাইমানাय tei bahike apply khaimanai how to apply ar jagao nailainai aro apply khainani hingke o website o visit ma khainai job.jimventures.com ar jagao visit khainai online ni theke apply ma khainai bor jagao job.jimventures.com o website o thangui online apply ma khainai ge tini bangui aswk wngkha jotono no hambai।